Morning. It's December 21st. I believe it's Thursday. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We got a new patch coming too. A lot of y'all voted. 6,000 of you voted. A little bit over 6,000 on what the patch should look like, and windshield inside static decal. It means you can take it off, put it on your other RV. Anyway, this is, I believe, video 3. Don't quote me on that. I can't keep up with it. Anyway, this is on the hydraulic leveling and hydraulic slide, and we were troubleshooting the electric pump that wasn't coming on, whether it was the slide being activated or the hydraulic levers. Now, this is an SMC, Sierra Mike Charlie, or an IDL, India Delta Lima system, but it doesn't matter. Remember what I told you, we're trying to teach you commonality here, or learn commonality. So we already figured out what was wrong on the other videos, right? We had big B plus power coming in, right? And then the relay clicked and had coming out, and the little 2 wires and the big wires, right? 2 terminals that are small and 2 big terminals that are like big. That's because I call them big terminals. So now is the fun part, the removal of this nasty component. Here we go. We're going to go underneath. All right, so I got, of course, I kicked the light around. Hold on here. So this box right here, that tank and that assembly. So basically all the tools you need is a 9/16. You could use an open end wrench or a line wrench. And you have 2 bolts that are right there. There's one of them right there. Okay. Those are 5/8. So everything is loose. Okay. I'm going to get the lines off now. I'm going to show you the tools that you need. Hold on, put you on pause. All right, so we're back. All right, basically you need a ratchet of some sort. A 9/16. Remember, I use 6 points for a reason, because the nuts are rusted. This gets the mounting bolts off, the studs to the electrical cable, the big ones. And make sure you did disconnect the main battery positive power fuse. Here's a line wrench, right, 9/16. Here's an open end box combination, 15-degree offset. See, this is straight and this is 15, so it gets you in the tough spots. Little 3/8 takes the small activating wires off. I wonder why that's shifting. Wow, that's weird. Now, hold on. Anyway, so that's basically the tool. I was up where it was at. It wasn't fun. I'll get under there again with a brighter light. Put you on pause. Well, something else I wanted to show you. I had to ID the hoses, so I got a bunch of these little small zip ties. I wonder why that's bouncing back and forth. My battery's good. All right. So there's 4 major hoses to take off, and I'm going to get some of them rebuilt. I'm going to get the big electrical cables redone. So let's get under there and look. All right, so we're back. Right there's the small relay right there I was talking about, or solenoid. Here's your here's the lime green one I put on there. That's where the fitting goes up there, where you see the lime green. And there's a blue, and then there's a whatever that is, aqua. I mean, you ladies out there help me, but it's marked. It's up there if you see it. Right there on that fitting, right there. This hose right here. All right, so now also I put a pan down here to catch it. Now this was what I found on the tank. I know you're gonna complain about the video, but here, Haldex. It's electric pump tank assembly. So there you go. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics getting out from underneath the coach. It's a 2000 Beaver Monterey, 2 slides, 40-foot diesel pusher. I believe it's got a Cat C7 in it. And it's the SMC hydraulic. It don't matter, folks. What you're learning is about how to troubleshoot stuff, remove stuff, the tools that you need. Why do you use a 6-point socket? Because 12-point has a tendency to round off old rusted nuts. I mean, if you're working on a 2023, they shouldn't be rusted, right? Maybe a little bit, but not like a 2000 or a 2010 or even a 2015. So use a lot of 6-point, use your line wrenches because it helps. So all I'm going to do is basically pull it out, and then we're going to try to find the motor, maybe get it rebuilt. I do have 3 good resources for electrical motors. Remember, the electrical motor messed up. When I take the electrical part, which I'm going to make a video on, I'm going to make sure the hydraulic motor, pump motor, the hydraulic portion of it, spins. You got to check that stuff. Maybe it's locked up, causing the electrical motor locked up. All right, so thank you very much. Jeff from RV Diagnostics.